We're going to Baguio.
Where are we going? Where are we going? Baguio! Hi ate, good morning. Nag-decide nga kaming pumunta ng Baguio after naming umattend ng kasal sa Pangasinan. Inabot nga lang ng 1 hour and 30 minutes ang biyahe namin from Pangasinan to Baguio. Lamig! Huh. Strawberry taho. Yummy!
Hot.
Bye-bye! Baby horn.
Beep beep!
Lamig. Nag-bike ka pa talaga. Bakit mami?
Joel!
Hi.
After ng bike ride namin, naghanap na kami ng spot para mag-breakfast. Let's go to the zoo. Sige to the ano?
We're going to
Baguio. Pagulong na lang tayo. Ha? Saan yung fish? Where's the other one? Hala. Tignan mo yung eyes ng fish. Ayun o, yung eyes ng blackfish. It's so big. Ano yan? Hindi naman goldfish. Sarap. Pag angelfish daw yan, nakulukod ako. Angelfish. Say hi. Hi, big fish.
May bubbles?
Oh, oh nga, may bubbles. Nagpi-play siya sa bubbles. Ang cute. Oh no.
You like that? This one, no? There. Look. Yes. Hey.
Ayun yung head niya, oh. Where's the head? Tingnan mo tong camera ni Mami. Ayun yung eyes niya, tsaka head. Scary. Python. Ah, ito pala yun.
Bawa construction. Bawa
Sa ano siya? Sa si Bawa. Wow! Ball python. Ball python. There.
Oh, it's a mouse.
No, that's not a mouse.
It's a
Gecko.
boy.
Wala ko nga naman. Papatiwarik di tiwakal na ata.
Okay, what's this? Iguana. Red iguana. Dalawa sila, oh.
Wow, so big.
It's super small.
Small. That's big. Nasaan yung isa?
This one po.
Ayun nga, no. Magkatabi pala sila. Parang, parang ano, nagpapapicture.
Malis na sila.
Talaga ba? Talaga ba? Saan na sila? Reindeer.
No.
Saan yung deer?
Where's it? There.
There.
Let's go. Kumaya na. Down na tayo dun.
Let's look at the one. Let's look at the one. Cow.
Ay, sipan mo na.
May sipon na to?
Mm-mm.
Daming ducks.
Brewster yan, yung lalaki.
Gani.
I see other one.
Yes. Oh, go ate. Kaya mo yan. Can do it. Go. Yan, very good.
That's
Them. Wow.
Pigeons.
Pigeons.
Ano naman ako yung...
butterfly. Butterfly. Butterfly.
Yeah, it's a butterfly.
Rabbit.
It's a
Rabbit.
rabbit. Nakakulong sila, oh.
Puro akyatan.
Bird. Bird.
Daming plants.
Mommy, is that?
Yes, I can hear it.
It's bird.
That bird.
See that too.
Oh, there's a rooster.
Ay, peacock oh.
Peacock ba yan?
Yeah.
Yes, ayun already guys. Kasi packet po tayo sa my stairs. And please for the kids po.
Ay, sobra pala. Ayun.
Oh, chicken. Oh, you got this one.
Wow. Mo. Ayos mo yung walk mo ate.
Video pa mo. Tulo
Hindi
pa.
pa more daddy.
Tulo, daddy. Balance, balance.
1, 2,
Yo. Go, ate. Faster. Faster, faster, faster.
Wow, may mga fish. Wow, ganda. Cherry blossom.
Giant mask.
What's it? This.
Saan dyan? Ah, there!
There?
Sa baba.
Ooh.
Oo. Oo. Parang baliktad. Dapat yun yung albino.
From there.
Puti.
Okay, it's climbing.
1, 2, 3.
Smile.
1, 2, 3. Ria, smile dito.
Oh, kiss. Kiss naman, kiss. Wow, parang totoo ah.
Parang di nag-away.
Hindi nag-away ah.
Supposed to be, magsisimba pa kami after the park. Kaso, we had to change plans dahil iba pala yung opening hours nila. So, chill lunch na lang muna kami before heading back to Manila. Na-enjoy talaga namin itong quick Baguio trip namin. Na-realize namin na grabe, ang hirap pala talagang mag-travel with kids. Nakakapagod, pero sobrang worth it. Sabi ko nga, hindi man nila ito maalala ngayon, at least we have beautiful stories to tell them when they grow up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para lagi kayong welcome sa home, House of Makapagal.
See you on our next vlog.
Mommies.
We're going home!
Going home.
Anong gusto mong kantahin?
Die.
Yung diarrhea? Paano?
Always love you.